been low. I've been chasing all the things I never had before. All the way down by the river, I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. A sparkling of diamond and the southern sunset.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the first day of nursing school. It's official, people. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm ready to pack my lunch here. There's not a ton of restaurants around my campus. We're packing. This is so surreal. The good news is I got some kombucha for the first day of school and tomato mozzarella salad, fork, napkin. Let's see what else I want to bring. I have some pretzels in here. Go-go squeeze action. I am there from 9 to 5. So literally like a full-time job today. I mean, there's like a small chance I could get out early, but I highly doubt that's going to happen. So I'm bringing lots of snacks. Lavender shortbread cookies. If you know, you know. Usually I'll do like pretzels, but I don't want to open my new bag of pretzels, and I have these. Do you guys remember from when I had to wake up really early to do my CME stuff? And it's not even that early. It's literally like 7:30 in the morning. I get so nauseous in the morning so easily. I'm gonna be like such a fun pregnant person. I'm gonna be so nauseous all the time. The lunch is packed. I am going to fill up my water bottle. Ooh, I want to grab. I might put this in my backpack. It's the first day of school, so I don't know how it's gonna go or where I'm gonna eat or if I'm gonna bring my lunchbox in. I feel like I have to get used to stuff. All right, I'm gonna think of what I'm most excited for, and I'm gonna think about what I'm most nervous for. I'm most excited for learning how to pass meds. I just think that's so interesting and I know nothing about it. So shots, IVs, stuff like that. I don't know if I would say I'm like super excited for my research course. Honestly, I'm really nervous for pharmacology, but that's not until like next term. Like the heavy pharmacology class is not until next term. Woke up this morning and looked at these beautiful flowers that Keegan and Emma got me. Oh, I need to get my badge. Badge, check. This is not how we normally wear our badges, but I just need it to get into building, so I'm just gonna put it on my pants for now. This is the outfit of the day. We got my thrifted shirt. I got a short sleeve shirt underneath it, and I have some jeans from Zara. Like 15 minutes till I wanted to leave, and I know I'll be like pretty early. So I think what I'm gonna do is try to watch one of the videos that's assigned for my class. I have decided that like anytime I have free time like this, I'm just gonna try to do something on my to-do list, even if it's something really small. Oh, these are all super short, so I can get all the videos done for this next class right now. BRB. All right, videos are watched. It's time to pack the backpack. I made some green tea as well because I feel like I need a small amount of caffeine this morning at least to get through.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter is my favorite weather.
Let's do this. First day of nursing school.
It brings you close. You close, yeah. Wish we could stay here forever.
We got here so quickly. It is 8:25. Mondays are the days where there's like really no traffic, and I feel like it definitely does get progressively worse throughout the week, and it's just unpredictable. I think I'm gonna do like maybe some more homework because I have at least like 20 minutes before I need to walk in there.
Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
All right, we are officially on lunch break. To be honest, it feels so good to be back in a classroom. Like I really actually have missed it, and I missed like people talking when the teacher asks a question, because on Zoom everyone's just like dead silent. It's nice to be in like such a great learning environment, and our professor is hilarious. So far it's been a really good day. I'm just gonna eat my food. We have an hour lunch break, and then we have lecture until 5. You guys, we did it. We survived day 1 of nursing school, baby. I am officially home. I actually, for some reason, I thought I had class until 5 today, but We actually had class until 3, and then we had an extra hour of like an APA lecture. It was a good day. I give it a solid 9 out of 10. We learned all about vital signs. We went over our syllabus, sat and took notes, and it was great. We got done an hour early with one of our lectures, so some girls and I just sat outside and we worked on some assignments and chatted. I, along with most of my class, we all brought our foundations book to class. And this thing is so heavy. This is gonna go, but I just checked my mail and got some things in the mail. So I thought we would do a haul. Oh, and I got my stoggles, which I'm most excited about because I needed these for Wednesday, which is when we start our clinical simulation lab, because we have to wear eye protection in lab. This is not sponsored, but I got the stoggles. They were on sale for Memorial Day. Very excited. It says that they have anti-fog, blue light blocking lenses, scratch resistant. Stoggles, if you want to sponsor me, I've heard great things about your product and I am so excited about them. Oh my God. Ooh, the blue is like very different. They're very comfortable. They fit my face really well and they've got really good eye protection. Okay, so that's a good purchase. We love this. My friend from class just texted me. I have a friend, I think. Oh, this is probably the grad announcement for my girl Miranda. This is gonna make me cry. Oh, this is so cute. Go Miranda. Look at this cutie right here graduating. Miranda, I love you and I'm so proud of you. This has gotta be from my girl Kylie. Oh, a grad announcement from her? Oh, stop. This is gonna go in my fridge. Kylie Rothaus. She's going to UC Irvine. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. University of Oregon with a Bachelor's of Science in Physiology and a double minor of Special Ed in Global Health. You go, girl. I'm so proud of you. My plan for the rest of the night is, while I still have this great first day of school motivation, I'm gonna get ahead on stuff. I made my to-do list already for all of my classes this week, and I actually have quite a bit on it. Some of the stuff I can crank out really quickly, but it is a lot of reading. I wanna get it done. So I need to read 12 chapters of this book. I think we can do it. It's really small. I'm gonna do this until I'm so hungry that I feel like I'm gonna die, and then I'm gonna make myself a yum bowl.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah.
Oh my God. This always happens to me when I'm filming. I think my can opener is broken because it's not opening the cans like properly. It's disgusting.
I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries?
The yum bowls are officially ready to go. Forgot how quickly I can make this meal and how awesome that is. When I make it without chicken, it's so fast. I just do beans, rice, corn, tomatoes, black olives, cheese, salsa, avocado, and cilantro. And I'm actually meal prepping my lunch for tomorrow, so that's why I'm over here dishing up. Tomorrow I have class, like I said, from 8 to 5, but I actually have the whole first class on Zoom, and then I have an hour to get from my apartment to school. That's like also my lunchtime, so if I can meal prep this, I'm gonna be so ahead and so happy. The base is now ready. I have this huge thing of yum sauce. We're gonna get some cheese, some cilantro. Oh yeah, all the black olives.
Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left.
Nightly update, powered through my book, and I finished the entire thing in one night, so hopefully that means I did like week 2's homework as well. It's actually a really good book. Each chapter is only like a couple pages long. It's all about a patient's perspective of receiving care. What time is it? It's already 9:22. I don't know where the day went. I guess it went. I'm gonna try to go to bed in the next 30 minutes so that I can get my full 8 hours of sleep, stay on schedule. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and being a part of my first day of nursing school. It's so crazy that I survived and and we're really getting started on this process. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. Today's question of the day: what school have you been most nervous to begin? I think I was more nervous to start college at University of Oregon than I was today, because now I feel like I've done this so many times. A college class is a college class. It's just different because it's like, ooh, big deal nursing school. I think I was more nervous at U of O because I just had no concept of what college was and had like no idea what I got myself into. But now I feel better about it, which is good. I love you guys so crazy much, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking hella fine, I was still making up my mind.